My name is Leo. I came from China. I'm a math lecturer in Rwanda. During the pandemic, we can't see each other face to face. So I prepared a special math lecture for you. So I want to share with you by this video. Many people don't know what is mind education. Because a lot of people in today's society don't care about mind. I'm so glad to take this opportunity to share with you what mind education is. There are so many sessions for mind education. Today, I want to talk about grateful thought. First of all, I want to start with my own story. When I was young, I liked to dance. I was the best dancer in my class. And all the teachers and classmates praised me. From then on, a voice told me that you are the best. So my heart becomes so arrogant. Other children are not as good as you. I began to judge my classmates and others. But one day, my teacher rebuked me. She said, "Why is your action different from others?" I felt very strange. Because in my opinion, I think I can dance better than them. Shouldn't you praise me? Why do you blame me? I didn't understand it at that time. But not long after, I understood what was my problem. I watched a video of us dancing. And everyone was doing the same thing, but I only did differently. Although I may be better than them. But in the video I saw I was wrong. Since everyone else was doing the same action like others. There is a very funny story, right? Since then, I have learned that I can be wrong at any time. This is what I gained from this lesson. I think you have seen a picture where two people are on opposite sides. The one says he sees a number 6. The other one says he sees a number 9. Actually, there is no right or wrong answer. If you look at the number from a different angle, you can understand how the other person feels.
Kubera kuramutse urebye uwo mubare ugiye mu ruhande rwa mugenzi wawe nicyo gishobora kumva impamvu mugenzi wawe yarebaga gutyo.
Here is a Chinese saying.
Hari imvugo y'Igishinwa.
Take a part for the whole.
Ivuga ngo gufata ibintu byose igice ukakigira ibintu byose.
I don't know if you have heard of it.
Sinzi nimba musobanukiwe icyo ushatse kuvuga uwo mugani.
Let me explain this story by using this story.
Ariko reka mbasobanurire uwo mugani nkoresheje indi nkuru.
Once there were 4 blind men.
Munsi umwe hari abantu babana n'ubumuga bane.
They wanted to know what an elephant is like.
Bashaka kumenya uko inzovu imeze.
So one day they went to a zoo together.
Munsi umwe rero bagiye aho inzovu zororerwa.
The first blind man touched the elephant's trunk and said, this elephant is like a water pipe.
Uwa mbere yakoze ku mutonzi w'inzovu aravuga ati inzovu imeze nk'igihombo.
The second blind man touched elephant's leg and said, this elephant is like a pillar.
Undi yakoze ku kuguru kw'inzovu aravuga ati inzovu imeze nk'ipironi.
And the third blind man touched elephant's body and said, the elephant is like a wall.
Undi yaje gukora kunda ku mubiri wayo aravuga ati inzovu rwose ni nk'urukuta.
And the last blind man touched elephant's tail and said, the elephant is like a rope.
Uwa nyuma yikoreye ku murizo yaravuze ati rwose inzovu imeze nk'umugozi.
Who do you think was right?
Ese mutekereza ari nde wari uri mukuri?
No one, right?
Nta n'umwe sibyo?
Because I know you are not blind.
Ndabizi ko mwebwe mutabana n'ubumuga bwo kutabona.
But people who don't know themselves, they think the same as the 4 blind men.
Ariko abantu batiyizi bitekereza nk'uko abantu bane babanaga n'ubumuga bwo kutabona batekerezaga.
I hope you can put your rightful self down.
Dore niringiye ko washyira hasi ibitekerezo byawe byo kwitsindishiriza cyangwa kwigira umunyakuri.
And think about it from a different angle.
Ujye utekereza ikintu mu nguni zose zishoboka.
Even if you think you are right.
Nubwo waba wumva ari wowe uri mukuri.
But everything happens in your life for a reason.
Ugomba kumenya ko kibaho mu buzima bwawe bwose kiba cyaje gifite impamvu.
Never hold on your rightful thought.
Ntugagundire ibitekerezo byawe by'ukuri.
Remember, you can be wrong at any time.
Ujye wibuka ko ushobora kwibeshya igihe icyo ari cyo cyose.
Thank you for listening.
Ndabashimiye kuba mwanteze amatwi.
I hope to see you next time.
Niringiye ko n'ubutaha muzaza tuga